2008 Nissan Frontier Crew Cab, 80,000 miles. Excellent condition. Very clean truck. 80,000 miles. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Has a bed liner. As you can see, not a door ding on this vehicle anywhere. Hard to find even a scratch. Seats are in remarkable condition. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. 80,700 miles. Ice cold AC. Original floor mats. Both keyless entries. There's the Carfax report. No accidents. This is a 2008 Nissan Frontier Crew Cab with 80,000 miles, two-wheel drive, in absolutely wonderful condition.